Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
The moon's lost star. Far in the sky, the moon loved gazing at the stars. They danced around her every night, lighting up the sky. One evening, the moon noticed one tiny star was missing. She looked high and low, worried for her little friend. "Where are you, my star?" she whispered. The wind replied, "Look behind the cloud." The moon gently moved the cloud and found the star stuck, unable to shine. "I'm scared of falling," the star said, trembling. The moon smiled warmly and said, "I'll guide you back." Using her soft moonlight, she helped the star find its place. The star twinkled brightly, thanking the moon for her kindness. Every night after, the star shone its brightest, making the moon proud. The moon learned that helping others shine makes the sky more beautiful.